What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to be making a drop point knife, but we're going to be using deer antler as the handle, but not just any deer antler. This deer antler came off of King's Ranch in Texas. As you can see, it's a fairly large antler. We're going to be cutting it off right about here, cutting off this little point here so we can use it as our handle. We're gonna be using 1095 as our steel. We got a piece of 1095 stock right here. And the design we're going with is, I think this one. Blade length is about 3.5 inches, 1 inch of blade width. And I'm not sure how long the hidden tang is gonna be, the part that goes into the deer antler. Right now I have at 3.5 just to make sure we have enough material. But yeah, I'm gonna get that cut out and start shaping the antler, and I'll see you soon. Alright, so a quick update. I've got our tang shaped to fit better into the handle. I've been grinding out this the hole for the tang. It's pretty annoying using little files to get that wide enough. I'm gonna put a bolster on it just so it looks more. Working on filing out our brass bolster. Gotta get it to fit on the blade. Quick update. I've been working on our bolster and finger guard. Made it out of brass. I tried to put a curve in it by grinding the top down this way and the bottom up that way, because I tried with another piece of brass to bend it and I kept breaking it, so I think that'll work fine. Now I gotta continue on our blade shape, and that'll be it. Just got done putting our bevels on. Almost sharp. Left it a little thick so after I heat treat it, we can still put a final edge on it. Added some jimping to the back of it. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna throw some refractory cement up here along the spine and on the tang here, just so we don't overheat it. Got our refractory cement on. Just gonna let that dry, and then we'll throw it in for a quench and heat treat. Put our final edge on, and we'll be done. Just came out of the quench. I cleaned up the cement a little bit, some of the scale a little bit. Here's our file. Still bites the top where I had the cement. And just for a difference, she's hard. Now to temper, clean it up, put our final edge, and glue it together. Just came out of tempering. We did two 2-hour cycles at 400 degrees. Let it cool down in between. Still hard. Looking good. Time to put our final edge on and then glue it to the handle. Hand sanding the blade. If you didn't cut yourself, did you even make a knife? I used way too much of this. Sharpness test. I just gotta clean it up and polish it, and she's finished. Alright guys, here's our finished build using an antler from King's Ranch, deer antler. A buddy of mine gave me this antler that I used to make the knife. $10.95 for the blade steel, brass bolster, put some cool jimping up on the top. If you guys like this video, leave a comment, subscribe, a like, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.